Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Mint Linux. First, let's explore its intuitive interface. Linux Mint is known for its ease of use, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users alike. We'll cover navigating the desktop, launching applications, and managing your files efficiently. Get ready to discover a powerful and customizable computing environment. Next, we'll dive into the vast world of software available on Linux Mint. The Software Manager makes finding and installing applications incredibly simple, from productivity suites to creative tools. We'll also look at customizing your desktop environment, changing themes, and adding useful applets to truly make it your own. Keeping your system updated is crucial for security and new features. Now, let's master file management with Nemo, Mint's powerful file explorer. You'll learn to navigate directories, copy, move, and delete files with ease. For those wanting to go deeper, we'll introduce some fundamental terminal commands. Don't worry, it's less intimidating than it sounds and opens up many possibilities for system control and troubleshooting. We'll keep it simple and practical. Finally, let's discuss essential system maintenance to keep your Linux Mint running smoothly. Regular backups are vital for data protection, and we'll show you how to set them up. Monitoring system resources helps identify potential issues before they become problems. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your Linux Mint experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.